Hello guys, good day. This is Simple Graphics. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this design. So the goal of every of my design is to actually make it simple and easily readable, so that people will not be fighting to read whatever I'm designing. So I like going straight to the point and then giving people a clear message. Now, one of the goals of design is to communicate effectively. In as much as you want to make it beautiful, you want to make it cool, you must try as much as possible to pass the information properly. Understand? So I'm just going to start from the beginning. I'm going to clear this off. So the first thing I did was to put the image size. I just used 4000 by 5000. 4000 by 5000. I just wanted to make to look big, so that's why I used that. So what I did first of all was to add the image I downloaded from Pinterest. So this is just the picture. I'm going to increase the relative size to 100 and then bring it down. So that is, I want to change this background to the background of the picture. So I'm going to pick the color of the background, and this is it. So just the color of the background of the picture, that's what I picked now. And so it blended, the picture blends with the other white background. So I'm going to lock it up, and then I'm going to put on my write-up. Get your business registered with CAC. Okay, so I want to import the other one I worked on, so I'll just see the write-up I put there. Get your business registered with CAC, and then I think I added full stop. Okay, does not really matter, but okay, get your business registered. Okay, I will not add full stop because I continued the write-up. So I'm going to change this to Brick College. I've sent this font to my page. So if you are to my Telegram channel, so you can check the link on this description below and you see it there. So what I did again was just to increase this and then centralize it. Then I duplicate. So let me check what I wrote there. Okay, as you relax for the weekend, we are just a DM away. Okay. As you relax for the weekend, we are just a DM away. Then full stop. So what I'll do is to reduce this size. Let me hide this. I'll reduce this, and then I want to make it just 2 lines, and this is it, 2 lines, and now I'm going to centralize it. So for the color, this is one of my business. Actually, I do business registration, and then so this is another brand I own. So this is the logo for the brand. So what I will do is to pick this logo color and use it for the design. So the first one Then I want to put a picture of CAC, that's Corporate Affairs Commission. So I want to add it here. So I can move it to the little, so this one. So the business name is a Simple Business Hub. So I practically educate business people on on the kind of name to choose, why they want to register their business. So I want to change this color first of all to red. This red is from my logo, and then I want to change just the CAC to green. I also picked it from my logo, sorry, red. Then I want to leave the CAC to green. Then for the other write-ups, I'll also make them red. I'm just trying to maintain those two colors, and then leave a DM away to be green. I want to leave weekend. The weekend, I want to leave it as green too. So that is it. So another thing I added was to create a circle, and then I'll reduce the fill. That's this opacity of the fill. I'll reduce it, and then for the stroke, I'll increase it. I'll increase the stroke, and then I'll change the color of the stroke to green. Also, I'll use green and red. So what I will do is to increase it. I want to put it at this side, and then reduce the opacity to 65. 65. So I'll duplicate this one. So just to this things is just to give it style, although I've passed the message I want to pass, but I just want to make it adding my brand color and the rest. So I want to impute my phone number, so I will go with the shape, this shape. Okay, and I will go with the green color because I don't want to make it too red. Now what I did here was to actually use these two colors in different places. So that is to say I use more of red up, and then I use more of green down. So I don't want a situation whereby I'll just use only one color. It will look very reddish. 0737338. So this is my phone number. In case you want to register business, you can send a DM. Maybe you have someone that wants to register. I used to give commission to people who bring people to me, so you can use that as a side also. So I want to change this VN to our regular font for icon. So I think this font is also on my Telegram group, so I'll centralize it, and I think practically this is all. The other thing I did was to add all these other things. So I just added this, make it small, and then put it anyhow you want to put it. So let me put it like this, so any style you want. I think I added one more thing too, which is this. So I can practically change these colors to blue, to green, and then red too. Okay, then this one we'll change it to green, to this green. So this is it. Okay, so the last thing I used to do is to take it down to I'll take it down to Snapseed. I think maybe I'll start creating designs for, you know, I'll use pop, then we go on tools and then details. I'll increase the structures and then go down and then go up and increase the sharpness a bit. So I think it's okay like this. So I'll just export. So guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe,